Hello, ho, ho. Yeah, welcome back to HTML. Now part 5, I guess. Yeah, today we are looking at forms, which I'm referring to all sorts of, container widgets, text fields, something because, on the website you won't simply only want to watch stuff. You want to interact with the site, with the server. Yeah, that we don't, and with the surface. We are just looking at different forms, which means now we can have a website with a button with text fields and sorts of that. But yeah, apart from that, we don't with the input data. We don't do anything with that input data yet. So tag for today's topic is a form. And yeah, now we can do something like let's say numbers of eyes. Now the tag now is input. Really simple. Now first we need two steps. First of all, the method. No, not the method, I'm sorry. Kind of sleepy. Guess what is 1 second? Yeah, kind of. Okay, type equals, and now that is important, text. Because now with type we are kind of getting access to a whole catalog or library of different type of widgets, forms, however you want to call it, like text fields, check buttons, select different kind of check buttons, different kind of text fields, email fields. A lot of things are possible. I won't show you everything, but you can, if you there are a lot of things you maybe can't even imagine. Number of eyes input equals text. Now name equals number of eyes. So save and let's view it. Here we go. We have a text field with number of eyes. Now we can simply change the type to password. And what happens now is strg. Let's say again, save it and look at it. If we now type in something instead of this input, we have only, the input now is hidden. And another one I can maybe show you with input. Input, obviously input, but type equals radio. Yeah, I got that right. Name equals radio, and containing a radio, which is completely mistyped. And by the way, I guess if I don't do a, let's see if I don't do a break tag. Yeah, it's in one single line because I don't do a break tag. So you can do a break here and then it will be in another line. Okay. Now another one I want to show you is file. Simply copy that file, delete this, and name equals radio image, I don't know. Let's view it. Now you can, and now you can simply choose a file you can add, like this one, which is a picture. Download it. This is a thumbnail I created recently. And maybe you want to submit data because now you simply type in data, click on a check button. Maybe you want to submit data. Obviously you want to submit data. So now let's create a button, cute little button. Input type tab index type equals button, and name equals click mich, which is German for click me. strgs y, strgy, yes, should be opened. Now here we have a button which doesn't do anything. Now, why doesn't he do anything? Because we need a method. And for all this. Okay, pretty simple. Form method equals get. If I'm referring, I hope I'm remembering it right. No, I'm not. And that's because I, kind of forgot a lot of stuff. It should be submit as a type. Now, let's see. If we now have something like this, yes, we get the get method. So get method, by the way, should be on default. So if we don't define or if we don't write a method here, he should be using it by default. Let's try it. Yeah, perfect. So as you can see here, number of eyes equals what I recently typed in, containing, let's see, containing radio equals on, and image can be put there. Now, what kind of, is not good if I type in here like eyeball. Let me see. Yeah, 1 second. I will move it a little bit down. Now you can see it. On the URL here, you see a number plus eyes equals, if I click on send, eyeball. But this should be hidden. So it's not hidden and hidden. I can't pronounce it without a German accent. We can simply, what do we do? Password. Yeah, we can simply change the method to method equals post. Now let's do the same again. Save it. See. Now if we send it, it will be sent without that. So yeah, that too. That's. They have there are other things regarding that topic, but this would be more advanced. Still, I guess I will do another video regarding the forms. But yeah, for today's video, that should be it regarding forms. And I hope you kind of learned something. I also learned something because a lot of stuff it's way too long ago since I used them, so I kind of use this tutorial for myself to get the knowledge back. Yeah, so with that in mind, see you hopefully in the next video. I wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. No, you didn't. I just wanted to be fast. I don't know. Yeah, see you and bye-bye.